Hey guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the Styletone box. Y'all know the drill. Let's rip apart this paper, and I'm just gonna say in advance, it's September, and I know like spooky month is coming along, you know, and fall is gonna be this month and stuff, and judging and looking at the paper, I honest to God hope that there is not gonna be a brown freaking lipstick in here because I'm gonna go insane. We get brown like every time of the season. It's ridiculous. I know this is like the month to get brown tone lipsticks, but no. During summer we also got brown. No, enough is freaking enough. Okay, booklet right here, and then come on, you've got to be freaking kidding me. Okay. This is the inside of this month's box. Why do I say you gotta be freaking kidding me? This is the fourth, I kid you not, I could get them all out, the fourth freaking time I got this. I got it in every single box so far. This is just ridiculous. This is the powder of effect, the fixing powder, basically translucent powder. Like I said, the fourth one that I have. Enough's enough. Okay, let's just see in the booklet what number it is. It's number 4. They say it costs 17 euros and 50 cents. I've used it today because, like I said, I have freaking 4 of them now. I used to have 3, so I'm kind of working on finishing them. But clearly I'm not going to use this. So far not so good. Moving on to something that we received in a box as well. And I can't remember was it the Deluxe box or the goodie box or look fantastic box, but it's literally the same damn cream of Merci Handy, their flower power love and hand cream. This is what it looks like. Like I said, I got the exact freaking one already before. Oh, come on. And by the way, hand cream is a filler item. Like, no, stop with the damn hand cream. We receive hand cream all the time. I can't even finish the amount of hand cream that I have, so stop with it. It's $5. I'm sorry guys, but I'm actually really irritated right now. Let me just get everything out of the box, shall I? There we go, box is empty. Then we received from Youth Lab a daily cleanser for normal and dry skin, which is good because I am a dry skin. Gentle daily cleanser with soothing and moisturizing action. And it looks like that. Now, let me just check in the booklet what number, what? Hold on. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. This goes along with it, and I'm not really sure what this is, but, oh, it's a face brush, right? Right, and mine is dirty. Are you kidding me? That's disgusting. Mine has something in between there, and it's dirty. Okay, anyway. It's a face brush, and I think that this is the handle where you put your face brush in, is it? Maybe you just take the cleanser out of here. I'm not really sure, but this is a face brush so you could like wash your face with. I actually have an automatic face brush, which is amazing. If you guys are not washing your face with a face wash, with a face brush, excuse me, do so. It cleans your skin way better than just your hands. I don't know, I just noticed a huge difference when washing my face with a brush. So this is like together in a set, and that costs 24 euros, it says over here. Yeah, indeed, this is the cap for this brush. So you place it on to keep it like hygienic, but thing is, it's not, oh, there we go. Okay, it's working now. So basically this is the cap to keep your brush clean. Moving on to something from Cost, Makeup Italia XX Lashes Cream. Lashes Cream, okay, hold on. Is that just a mascara or, whoa, okay. It's got fibers in here, doesn't it? Hold on, let me just check if there are fibers in here. No, okay, I don't see fibers. Okay, I have to check the booklet to see what this is exactly. But it looks, can you guys see that? Like that. It's got like this flesh color thing. It's not white. I think this is like a primer of some sort because usually, I don't know, usually primer looks like this. So this is what that fella looks like. Let's see, it says over here, it costs €9.90. Yes, see? And it's a mascara primer. Okay, now let's move on to the last item in here, which is from Golden Rose. It's the Terracotta Glitter Eyeshadow in number 217. Now, I do have a couple of eyeshadows already from them, but I can't remember having this bright of a pink. It is a very, very nice color. Look at that. Let me swatch it because I know I'm going to use this one. Ooh, it has like a golden shimmer in it. Wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. And mind you, I'm not, you know, wearing a primer or something on my hand, so the colors will be more vibrant with a primer. It feels so ridiculously soft. There we go. But I have to put on more. Not because this thing isn't good, but because of these huge lights over here. The camera sometimes doesn't want to show stuff that's clearly on my hand. So this is, hopefully you guys are able to see that, but this is what that looks like. It looks freaking gorgeous. Come on, focus on my finger. Don't focus on my face. Focus on my finger. It's probably not focusing. But it looks really, really beautiful, and you could actually get a hell of a lot of color. So that is really cool. And this little eyeshadow costs €11.95. Okay guys, that was it for this month's box. Now I'm just gonna be honest, I am really, really glad that we received the eyeshadow, the primer, and the brush and cleanser. That saved this month's box because this has got to freaking stop. You gotta be kidding me. And the whole hand cream boxes, and this goes out for every single box, not just Styletone, but for every single one of them. Y'all can do better. There are so many more items that we can receive than hand cream all of the time. In every box there's at least one hand cream, and it's just annoying. Like, enough is enough. We need a break from hand cream, okay? Other than that, like I said, these 3 items made my box. So if these 3 items weren't in here, I wouldn't think this box was awesome. But these products definitely made sure that I really do enjoy this box. I really like it. I know I'm going to use all of it except for this and maybe this. I think I'm going to give, since I already have it, I think I'm going to give this one to my mom. But no, y'all be seeing this in a giveaway. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Leave me down below in the comment. Leave in the comments down below your opinion about this box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!